Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to install an MIME certificate on Thunderbird. To begin, you'll need to generate a certificate signing request or CSR and a private key using the SSLdragon CSR generator tool. Make sure to keep the private key code confidential and share the CSR with SSLdragon to obtain the certificate or CRT. In the common name field, use your domain name, like yourdomain.com, and in the email address field, enter your associated email address, such as info@yourdomain.com, as demonstrated in the video. Next, copy the generated CSR code and private key into separate .csr and .key files, and share them with SSLdragon. SSLdragon will then issue the CRT for you. To get started, click on the menu, then navigate to Settings and select Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Within the Security section, click on the Manage Certificate button and import the certificate as demonstrated in the video. Please note that the certificate must be in PFX format. Note: for PFX format, you can use either openssl, keytool, or any other utility to create a PFX file from the private key, certificate, and CA using the following command. You can also view and validate your uploaded certificate by clicking the View button. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Save 10% on any SSL certificate order at SSLdragon by applying the promo code YouTube10 during checkout.